Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this special video for Accountants Minute, because I want to talk to you today about the very significant stimulus package that the Prime Minister announced on Thursday, 12th of March, the coronavirus stimulation package. $17.6 billion is the government's estimate, and they envisage that $11 billion of this package will be spent prior to the 30th of June 2020. So it should assure the government's aim of putting cash back into the economy works. Let's have a look at it, how it's going to affect your small and medium-sized enterprise clients. The government has announced that businesses with turnovers up to $50 million turnover will receive a refund from the Australian Taxation Office of the businesses' PAYG tax payments for each of the months March, April, May, June. The upper limit for this is $25,000 over that 4-month period. Obviously, the government will have to make a decision on what should happen to that program as they get closer to the 30th of June, and that will depend on what is happening with the coronavirus. For businesses that employ less than 20 full-time equivalent employees who have apprentices employed at the 1st of March 2020, the government is going to pay those businesses a subsidy for up to 2 years, calculated at 50% of the apprentice's wage, up to a maximum of $7,000 per quarter per apprentice. This is being done to encourage businesses to continue to employ apprentices and trainees during this very difficult time. The other major announcement is for businesses with turnovers up to $500 million. This is a modification on the instant write-off available for the purchase of new assets. As you know, currently the turnover limit is $50 million for a business, and the amount of investment is $30,000. Well, the government has really thrown those rules out. They've increased the eligibility requirement to businesses with turnovers up to $500 million, and the investment that's going to be able to be immediately written off is acquisition of assets up to $150,000. And obviously, a business can make as many of these investments as they deem prudent for their business and for their cash flow. The other change to do with depreciation is that there will be a 50% accelerated depreciation available for a 15-month period from the 12th of March 2020 to 30 June 2021, which businesses will be able to utilise. That's the effective depreciation rate available in the first 12 months of the depreciation charge. They are the benefits, as we see them at this stage, for businesses, and most of them I think will prove very popular. The other real benefit is that there is going to be a substantial amount of cash injected into the community, because the government is going to pay each pensioner $750, and they anticipate that that will be spent in the marketplace pretty quick, and there will be no qualification period for anyone registering for health benefits during this coronavirus period. And that is really to cover the situation if someone is laid off and they need to register for a benefit during their period of isolation. They'll be able to do so immediately and not have to go through the waiting period that you normally have to do. That's the update on what the Prime Minister and Treasurer have announced. We will be making changes within the product packages that are produced by ESS BIZTOOLS for accountants and business advisors and some bookkeeping services throughout Australia in the next few days. If you want to see more details on any of this information, please visit our website www.essbiztools.com.au and click on to Survival in Difficult Times, Learn More. And all of this material, including the details of the government grants for the federal, state and territory governments that are targeted at the problems that have occurred earlier this year from drought, bushfires, floods and cyclones are all summarised together now with the federal government's response to the coronavirus and the state government packages as they are produced. And at this stage, we have the Queensland government package. I understand that South Australian government has issued their own package, and we will be writing material on that in the next few days. And we will be preparing material on the coronavirus packages that are agreed to by the other states and territories as they finalise their own response to this very serious challenge for Australia and indeed the world. Have a great day. Goodbye.